9.
9.
Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday,
Sunday.
the week.
The week.
From Monday to Sunday.
From Monday to Sunday.
The first day is Monday.
The first day is Monday.
The second day is Tuesday.
The second day is Tuesday.
The third day is Wednesday.
The third day is Wednesday.
The fourth day is Thursday.
The fourth day is Thursday.
The fifth day is Friday.
The fifth day is Friday.
The sixth day is Saturday.
The sixth day is Saturday.
The seventh day is Sunday.
The seventh day is Sunday.
The week has 7 days.
The week has 7 days.
We only work for 5 days.
We only work for 5 days.